friend.
Hello, Kevin. Hello. I'm going to the doctor's for the checkup.
Hello, Jane.
Hello, Doctor.
You go for your checkup? Right. Come and sit on the chair. I'm going to look at your ears. One, and I'm going to look at the other one. There. Good. Now I'm going to listen to your chest. Can you lift your jumper up for me? That's a good boy. Right, lift your shirt up nice for me. There. Tick tock, tick tock. Do you want to listen? There. What goes in that ear? Goes in the other ear. Put it on there. Can you hear it? Jolly good. You're very well, aren't you? Lovely. Do you want to go back to Mummy now?
Bye-bye, Kiss, and bye-bye, Blue.
I didn't know you can have so much fun going to the doctors. And you learn something new every time.